Realme has been a brand which has been offering exceptional value for money products since its inception in 2018, and this product Realme Buds Air that we have today just costs around 3999 rupees, and this is one among the top 5 best truly wireless earphones available out there. And today we are going to be doing the unboxing and review of the same. We get this Realme Buds Air in this iconic Realme styled yellow color box, and inside the box we get this pair of Realme Buds Air earphones. These are the TWS earphones and it looks exactly the same as Apple AirPods first generation and the Apple AirPods second generation, not the Pro ones. And also inside the box we get this USB Type-C cable for charging this Realme Buds Air, and also we have some paperwork which actually helps you to understand how the gestures or how the tapping mechanism on these TWS earphones work. Don't get me wrong, these pair of earphones are actually straight out copy of the Apple AirPods. The way they open, the way they look, the way they fit in your ears, the way they connect, the button placement, the manufacturing logo designed by Realme, everything is just straight out Apple copy. We have the USB Type-C port, unlike the Lightning port on the Apple AirPods. We have designed by Realme. The way it opens, the way it clicks, everything is just like Apple. They are like wannabe Apple AirPods. They have copied all the functions in actually a good way. These pair of earbuds actually run through a 12mm drivers, and also it is present in this charging case which has 400 mAh of battery in it. It has an USB Type-C for charging, and it has wireless charging support up to 10 watt for fast charging. It has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, Google Fast Pair support, and also it has a range of 10 meter. And it does not have any IP certification or something, and the earbuds weigh just around 4.5 grams, and hence they are extremely lightweight. Now coming to the pairing mechanism, the pairing of these are extremely simple. This is one of the easiest pairing earbuds or TWS I have used in a while. Just turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone or any device that you want to connect these TWS with. Just go to the settings of your device, just turn on the Bluetooth and open the lid of this TWS and press and hold this button for pairing for some time, and the Realme Buds Air will show up on the notification bar of your device, and just click on it and just click OK for all the instructions, and the pairing process will be completed. The pairing process of these earbuds was so hassle-free that it did not even take 2 minutes for me to pair these pair of earbuds even for the first time. The Realme Buds Air supports the SBC and AAC Bluetooth codecs, and it actually runs on the Realme's proprietary R1 chip. Did you understand the quote here? This actually is again a straight copy of Apple's W1 and H1 chips that they use on their AirPods and the AirPods Pro devices. And also, it does not support any Qualcomm aptX HD or something. There is also a dedicated gaming mode and also the dedicated voice assistant that can work independently of your device. Now coming to the gestures mechanism of these earphones is actually very simple. Just double tap to pause music, triple tap to change the track. When you double tap when you are playing music, it will actually pause, and if you triple tap it will change the track to the next track, which is very cool in my opinion. And also if you're on a call, just double tap to receive the incoming call and press and hold for 2 seconds to disconnect the currently ongoing call, which is also again easy. You just get used to it for a couple of days and the process will be simple. And if you just remove one earbuds out of your ear, it will automatically pause the music, and when you put it back it will automatically play it back. And press and hold on both the earphones for some amount of time and it will automatically go to the pairing mode. On the box, if your charge of this box and also the earphones is above 67%, it will indicate the green LED. If the charge is less than 33%, the yellow color LED will start blinking. That means you should put this box to charge, or the charging case can charge independently of the earbuds itself. The comfort, the fit and finish of these pair of earphones are something that I'm not a fan of. It is not in-ear style, unlike the Redmi Earbuds S that we actually unboxed last week, and this actually fell off my ears a number of times, and in fact it fell off on the ground when I was cycling a couple of days back. So this comfort and finish exactly mimics that of the Apple AirPods, and since my ear is not as the style of Apple AirPods, it will actually fall off my ears. The comfort and ergonomics might vary depending upon the ears for every truly wireless earphones. Now let's come to the most important part of the review, that is the sound quality of these earphones. The sound quality is subjective. That means you might like something different and I might like something different. But the Realme Buds Air offers the AAC and SBC standard protocols. It does not offer any modern codecs such as Qualcomm aptX HD or something. And it has the sound output in the form of 44.1 kHz at 16-bit audio. That means you can compare this sound qualities to some old CD player or something. Let me talk about the drivers. It has 12mm dynamic drivers. That means you have the bass boost, and since it is made especially for India, the bass is actually boosted for Indian liking. If the bass is good, that means Indians love the music. That is how the companies manufacture these truly wireless earbuds. It is very well optimized for Bollywood music and the bass output is good. The emphasis is present on the bass and lower mids. Now let's talk about what is the kind of music that I actually listened while reviewing these pair of earbuds. I actually listened to a lot of instrument based music. The next step is I actually listened to the Bollywood music. The next step was only beats. The next step was I actually listened to only those kind of music which has a lot of words or something like a rap or something. Well, overall the performance of these earphones are actually okayish. I can't ask more considering the price of these earphones. And I think one of the most important part that takes a hit in terms of sound quality of these earphones is the presence of weak noise isolation. Since the shape of these earbuds are like this, or it is just like Apple AirPods, there is no physical noise isolation that is present, unlike what we had seen on the Redmi Earbuds S. Since there is no physical noise isolation, the sound quality takes a hit because there is a lot of external noise that is present out there. Well, when we talk about the microphone quality of these earphones, it is very good. There are two microphones on each pair of earbuds to capture the voice of the person who is wearing these earphones. That means if you are talking to someone on call, there will be no doubts whatsoever. Or if you are playing some games like PUBG or Call of Duty, you will be actually able to convey whatever you want to tell, just like how you are able to do on a normal wired earphone. And overall, the sound quality is just average. The battery life of these earphones, especially in my testing, has been extremely bad. Continuously, if I wear this for 1 hour of Call of Duty gaming or PUBG gaming, after that there is actually a beep that comes in which says "dudung" and I need to charge these pair of earphones. Realme has claimed that it will give around 3 hours of battery life with 50% of volume, but in my testing, this did not even last 1 hour. I have used these pair of earphones for a lot of Zoom calls and Google Meet calls and Microsoft Teams based calls. And during the calling process, since there are a lot of system sounds and there are a lot of different kinds of people with different kinds of tone, there will be a variable range of frequencies that is coming, and hence the battery life gets depreciated within 1 hour. So this was my personal experience. You can charge these Realme Buds Air inside the case for around 5 times before the charging case itself need to be topped up. The charging case takes around 2.5 hours to charge completely using the USB Type-C port. Overall, these pair of earphones offer really average value for money, and I think I would recommend Redmi Earbuds S instead of these ones. There are many other alternatives for truly wireless earbuds which I have linked in the description. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.